Triazolam, detailed explanation. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Triazolam is the official non-proprietary name of the drug used worldwide. Drug class. Triazolam belongs to the benzodiazepine class of medications. It is classified as a sedative hypnotic because it promotes sleep and reduces anxiety. Brand name, Halcion. Drug forms, oral tablet 0.125 milligrams, oral tablet 0.25 milligrams. Triazolam is available only as an oral tablet and is generally prescribed for short-term use. Number 2, definition. Triazolam is a rapidly acting, short-duration benzodiazepine medication used primarily for the treatment of insomnia. It helps patients fall asleep faster by depressing central nervous system activity. The drug is particularly useful for individuals who experience difficulty initiating sleep. Due to its short half-life, it produces minimal morning drowsiness compared to some longer-acting hypnotics. Number 3, mechanism of action. Triazolam works by enhancing the inhibitory effects of the neurotransmitter gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. Step-by-step mechanism. 1. Triazolam binds to benzodiazepine receptors on the GABA-A receptor complex. 2. This increases the affinity of GABA for its receptor. 3. More chloride ions enter nerve cells. 4. Neuronal activity decreases. 5. Brain activity slows down. 6. Sleep is induced and anxiety is reduced. Effects produced: sedation, hypnosis, sleep induction, anxiolysis, anxiety reduction, muscle relaxation, anticonvulsant activity. Clinical significance. Because of its rapid onset, Triazolam is highly effective for patients who have trouble falling asleep. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Triazolam is rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Bioavailability, approximately 44 to 53%. Peak concentration, 1 to 2 hours. Food may slightly delay absorption. Nursing consideration. Administer immediately before bedtime for maximum effectiveness. Distribution. After absorption, Triazolam is distributed throughout the body. Protein binding, approximately 89%, crosses blood-brain barrier, crosses placenta, present in breast milk. Clinical significance. Its ability to enter the brain allows it to exert rapid hypnotic effects. Triazolam undergoes extensive hepatic metabolism. Major enzyme, CYP3A4. The drug is converted into inactive metabolites in the liver. Importance. Many drug interactions occur because of CYP3A4 involvement. Elimination metabolites are eliminated through the kidneys. Route, urine, primary route, feces, minor route. Half-life, 1.5 to 5.5 hours. Clinical significance. The short half-life reduces daytime sedation but increases the possibility of rebound insomnia when discontinued. Number 5. Uses. Triazolam is used for insomnia. Most common use: situational sleep disturbances, stress, travel, temporary emotional crises. Preoperative sedation, used before certain medical procedures to reduce anxiety and induce relaxation. Dental procedures, sometimes prescribed before dental surgeries. Number 6, indications. Triazolam is indicated for primary insomnia, difficulty falling asleep without an identifiable cause, transient insomnia, short-term sleep disturbances due to stress or environmental changes, short-term sleep disorders, generally prescribed for less than 10 days, procedural sedation before diagnostic or dental procedures. Contraindications. Triazolam should not be used in hypersensitivity, patients allergic to triazolam or benzodiazepines, pregnancy, may cause fetal harm and neonatal withdrawal. Severe respiratory disease can worsen breathing problems. Sleep apnea may increase episodes of breathing cessation. Severe liver disease, drug accumulation may occur. Acute narrow-angle glaucoma may worsen the condition. Concurrent CYP3A4 inhibitors, risk of severe sedation and toxicity. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Elderly patients, older adults are more sensitive to falls, confusion, dizziness, cognitive impairment, depression, may worsen depression or increase suicidal thoughts. Substance abuse. Patients with history of addiction are at increased risk of dependence. Respiratory disorders. Use cautiously in COPD, asthma, chronic respiratory insufficiency. Hepatic impairment, reduced metabolism may increase toxicity. Renal impairment, monitor for excessive sedation. Number 9, how to use TAT administration guidelines. 1, take exactly as prescribed. 2, take only at bedtime. 3, ensure 7 to 8 hours available for sleep. 4, swallow whole with water. Avoid alcohol. 6. Avoid taking after a heavy meal. Why bedtime administration? Rapid onset may cause sudden drowsiness, impaired judgment, and coordination problems. Number 10. Dosing information adults. Initial dose 0.125 to 0.25 milligrams at bedtime. Maximum dose 0.5 milligrams per day. Geriatric patients. Recommended dose 2.5 milligrams at bedtime. Reason increased sensitivity and fall risk. Duration of therapy. Usually 7 to 10 days, not longer than 2 to 3 weeks without reassessment. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Since triazolam is taken at bedtime, skip missed dose if unable to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Never double the dose. Overdose. Symptoms: extreme drowsiness, slurred speech, confusion, respiratory depression, loss of consciousness, coma. Emergency treatment: airway support, oxygen therapy, monitoring vital signs, administration of flumazenil when appropriate. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol significantly increases sedation and respiratory depression. Avoid opioids. Combination may cause severe respiratory depression, coma, death. Avoid grapefruit juice, increases blood levels of triazolam. Avoid abrupt discontinuation. Sudden withdrawal may cause anxiety, tremors, rebound insomnia, seizures. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects. Drowsiness, most frequently reported effect. Dizziness may increase fall risk. Headache, usually mild and transient. Fatigue, common during initial treatment. Memory impairment, short-term memory difficulties may occur. Serious side effects, respiratory depression, potentially life-threatening. Complex sleep behaviors. Patients may sleepwalk, drive while asleep, eat while asleep. Hallucinations, visual or auditory hallucinations may occur. Behavioral changes, aggression, irritability, agitation. Number 14, vital information. FDA boxed warning. Concomitant use with opioids may result in profound sedation, respiratory depression, coma, death. Dependence risk. Physical and psychological dependence can develop. Rebound insomnia. Sleep difficulties may temporarily worsen after stopping treatment. Fall risk, particularly important in elderly patients. Number 15. Other drugs will affect triazolam, drugs that increase triazolam levels. Antifungals, ketoconazole, itraconazole, macrolide antibiotics, clarithromycin, erythromycin, HIV protease inhibitors, ritonavir, drugs that increase sedation, opioids, antipsychotics, antidepressants, antihistamines, other benzodiazepines. Drugs that reduce effectiveness, carbamazepine, phenytoin, rifampicin. 16. Drug comparison, triazolam versus diazepam. Triazolam, very short-acting, primarily used for insomnia, rapid onset, less daytime sedation. Diazepam, long-acting, used for anxiety, seizures, muscle spasms, greater accumulation, more daytime drowsiness. Triazolam is preferred when rapid sleep induction is required. Triazolam versus temazepam. Triazolam, faster onset, shorter duration, better for sleep initiation. Temazepam, longer duration, better for maintaining sleep throughout the night. Number 17, patient teaching. Medication adherence. Take exactly as prescribed. Bedtime use only. Take immediately before sleep. Avoid alcohol. Combining alcohol with triazolam is dangerous. Avoid driving. Do not drive until effects are known. Safe storage. Store in a secure location because of abuse potential. Report serious symptoms. Notify healthcare provider if experiencing sleepwalking, hallucinations, severe dizziness, breathing problems. Do not share medication. It is prescribed specifically for individual use. Follow-up care. Attend scheduled appointments for evaluation of effectiveness and adverse effects. Nursing responsibilities. Assess sleep patterns before administration. Monitor respiratory status. Evaluate for excessive sedation. Assess fall risk. Monitor for signs of dependence. Educate patient regarding safe use. Document therapeutic response and adverse effects. Memory aid mnemonic, triazolam, T treats insomnia. R, respiratory depression risk. I, induces sleep rapidly. A, avoid alcohol. Z, ZEEP-O, observe for dependence. L, liver metabolism, Site 3A4. A, abrupt withdrawal avoided. Thank you. Have a nice day.